This is insane. 85% of American businesses haven't used AI. Not a little, zero, zip. And while everybody's sleeping on AI, you are here watching this video, which is about to put you in a completely different category. Because here's what the data are saying. 99% of people are only doing basic usage of AI or zero. And by watching this video, I will put you in the top 1% of people knowing how to use one platform that is actually the Netflix of AI, using 15 different tools in one, and knowing exactly how to use that platform and knowing exactly what to do in order to create opportunities. Specifically, I will show you 5 different ways to use that platform without needing multiple subscriptions, without needing to buy a course or to become a master of AI. So in the next few minutes, you have a golden opportunity to become a 1%er and change completely the level of opportunities that will be available for you. So if you're ready, take a sip of coffee and let's do this. So the platform I'm using to showcase those 5 different paths is called Genspark AI Workspace. And it's an amazing all-in-one platform that gives you so many goodies. You can check right here on the left all the different options. You have your homepage, you have your workflows, which is actually a sequence of different things that you can do by connecting your Gmail, Google Docs, your social media, or creating your own workflows, a sequence of different automations happening without you having to do everything. And you can see also the different tools that you have available. You have the brand new AI employee function where you can create your own AI employee with a Genspark Claw feature. You have your Office suite where you can edit, analyze, or create AI docs, AI sheets and slides, the design and coding tools, the content creation tools, and also your own agents. You can create your own agents to do anything that you do with any other agentic platform. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the first way, and this is completely legit. I will use the slide feature where you're going to see that we have different templates right here. So I will select this one that is actually very suitable to what I want to do. It's suitable for fundraising startups that are out there trying to raise money, right? And now I will go to Product Hunt, which is a platform that gives you the top products that have just launched, startups that are out there trying to promote their platform. They have just launched, probably they have some users, sometimes they don't have any. So they're either trying to promote the platform or find investment. So I will take this platform right here, copy the link, go back to Genspark, and I will ask you to create a pitch deck for this new startup to prepare an efficient and very appealing investor pitch deck and drive attention, strategizing and shaping my deck. It will ask me what exactly they're looking for, right? So you can make some research and see what they could potentially try to do, what kind of money they're looking for, which is the target audience. Most of them are looking for at least 1 million and they're targeting US. And here's my deck. After literally a few minutes, it has gathered all the information about the startup, what it does, how it does it, the potential growth, what success looks like, how to scale, and what we're looking to do with the money that we are going to get as an investment. This is a pitch deck that normally, when I had my own startup, it would take me weeks to create. And now you have a draft ready, so you can go back to this startup, take their contact details, export the pitch deck in PDF, make any changes that you want on Genspark, and sell that for 2K, 3K, 5K. It's completely up to the sales skills that you have to do the sale. So do that to as many startups as you can. You're gonna get your first client. Number 2, we're warming up. So I will search for plumbers near me or any other profession that you want, right? This is just an example. You might get some text in Greek, but it's the same for every single country. So I'm looking for people that have a good rating, which means they're working quite well. They have money, right? But they don't have a website. You see here that the website indication is missing. So these guys can become even better in terms of their online presence if they get a great website, right? So I will go to the builder feature on Genspark where you can have websites, mobile apps, e-commerce stores, start from scratch or find a template that really fits your aesthetics. I will choose this one that is great for services and I will ask to create the website for this guy who's a plumber in my area, doesn't have a website yet. He has great reviews and nothing online. Let's build it. I will paste the link and minutes later, boom, the website is ready. Check it out. It looks super modern, like a designer and a coder have been working on this for weeks, right? You see the services, you see who we are, the ratings, the open hours, contact details, the map, the ratings from Google, everything, all the important details are here. So what I can do right now is take that link of this website that literally took me 5 minutes to create, contact the guys from this business and sell it to them for 500, 700, 800. 1,000. Depends on how good you are in sales, right? This is how I started making money online 10 years ago, creating stuff on Canva, knocking doors and selling social media posts, presentations, stuff like that I was manually creating. Now you have Genspark doing that for you literally within 5 minutes. So start knocking doors, create the stuff that we're showcasing together, and I'll show you at the end of the video and how much you can charge for each of these services. Idea number 3, we are going to create a brand kit for a brand new company. I'm going to use my first startup example, which is called Champions ID, the ID of champions, right? There to create an identity for athletes. And now I want Genspark to help me create a full brand kit, which means logo, social media kit, the key colors, fonts, typography, everything. This is something that every single company needs in order to create and build an actual brand. So Genspark actually starts creating my brand kit, strategizing, asking me some stuff about the brand vibe. I will go with elite performance, for example. Where's the prime audience? They're trying to understand exactly the DNA of the brand that we're trying to build. So answer the questions. The logo direction in terms of aesthetics. And seconds later, here it is. I have the full description of my brand, the positioning, the essence, the promise. What are the brand pillars, the personality, the brand story? You can actually ask Genspark to include everything in a presentation like we did before, right? The taglines, secondary logo, the monogram, the brand symbolism, and so many other details. The colors, the typography, the aesthetic direction, and here's the actual logo. Check it out. I will choose the 3 logo concepts and check the 3 directions. These look absolutely amazing, right? Check them out. Normally I would spend thousands on a designer to bring that to me. And if you don't like the suggestions, you can keep asking for new directions, giving different references so you can create something that looks like something else, right? And now, after finding the logo that I like, I will ask for the full brand kit. So it will give me so many different options. You can read them on your own, see what you want to keep. Normally, when you present that as an agency to people, you need to have all the materials at once. So you see the typography here, even how I should have my text on social media posts, how I should speak, the language and everything, right? And here are my social media graphics. This is the social media kit that obviously you can keep editing and creating your own posts where you're winning code, along with a tagline, a different one here that displays the main visual of my apparel, a quote template, identities earned, discipline shows, another real template, and so many others. You can keep asking for whatever you want, right? And then you can go to Fiverr or any other freelance platform and create your own service for a full brand kit. As you see here, people are charging hundreds, thousands for this kind of gig, right? Still today, people are creating and paying freelancers for a full brand kit because it's still needed. Most people cannot do that alone. As we said in the beginning, 85% of businesses don't use AI still today. So this is your opportunity to become a 1%er and create those stuff for others. I will take my PNG logo, this one right here, and I will ask Genspark to create a logo animation for me. And boom, seconds later, here's my animation. Check it out. Because guess what? Genspark creates videos as well. Moving on, number 4. Now, we're going to start with Facebook. We're going to join and search for different groups of people because we want to identify specific needs as an opportunity. So if you go to Groups, Facebook, and select the Discover feature, you're going to find so many different groups that are trending right now, that have a massive audience of people that have a specific interest, like Cloud, Fiverr, Gig Ranking, real estate, you name it. Doesn't matter, pick one. Or actually, I want to address people that are understanding the opportunity behind Cloud, which is actually all over internet right now, but they have no idea, they haven't used it. And guess what? This is like 99% of people, right? So I will go to Genspark AI Designer and ask it to create a digital product in a format of an ebook, PDF, with a theme, the best prompts to explode your work with Cloud. And this is actually addressing beginners, right? So I will ask Designer to create the mock-up, how it will look like, right? It will give me the outline, the theme, the title, and then I will ask it to create the actual PDF, to create the actual mock-up. You see some suggestions right here. I like this one and this one, unlock Claude. And as you see here, if I want to create the actual content of the digital product, I need to go to Genspark AI Docs. I will copy the prompt for the content that Genspark created for me. I will paste it right here, and Genspark will start creating the actual content, writing the 50 pages of my digital product that I can sell to people for 20, 50, $100, doesn't matter, right? You see it right here, the outline, the content, the different prompts as you see right here, and all that sums up to 50 different pages. So when you're ready, just export that in the PDF format and go to a platform like Gumroad or Popstore or anything else, upload it and start selling it to these specific groups that we saw together on Facebook. Enter the Facebook group, become a member, start interacting with people, share some free knowledge, and then share your own PDF document or create content about that. That's how you start selling your digital product into relevant people, and all that by using the same one tool. Isn't that crazy? And the fifth way I'm going to show you is selling AI reports. You cannot imagine how much time I've spent in my years when I was working in big companies, creating business reports that now companies are using agencies to write them for them. For example, I want a quarterly business report about a specific SaaS business, and I can ask the report generator to do it for me. Check it out. My report is ready. Recent opportunities, executive summary, key performance indicators, everything. Now, let me show you something else. Let's say that I want to sell a social media insights and opportunity survey about all social media, what's happening out there, right? I can sell that into an influencer agency or a big company that is working on social media. The options are endless. I'm just showcasing an example here. And I want to analyze performance per niche, the drop in reach that we see on platforms, the changes in the content math, so how much content is out there versus creators, because that discrepancy creates a big difference out there, and all that relevant for today, right now, right? And minutes later, you see that Genspark analyzes everything from different sources. You see on the left all the different sources that it scrapes and takes data from, giving me the example on the right, 2026 social media insights and opportunities report. Check it out. Actually, I'm gonna read that because it's very insightful. TikTok benchmark engagement, LinkedIn engagement by impressions. You see that LinkedIn is really a great opportunity right now. The creator economy size, the executive summary, organic advantages per niche. You see different characteristics and specifications for each, the drop in reach, the new content math. You have a full report, right? This is insane. This would take us weeks or months to create. So just export it in PDF and sell it, or give it to somebody as a lead magnet, right? Now, we're not done yet. So I have gone to the AI Seeds tool of Genspark. I have entered here how much I would charge with the service and how many clients needed to get to the 10K number, the target that we set. And you see right here that Genspark creates the actual sheet. Here it is. It built it for me. You see the columns, the color coding, the summary insights, and I will ask for a new tab right here to take this table that I created with ChatGPT and add it as a new tab in my existing sheet. And seconds later, here it is. My new sheet is ready. So it creates the actual Excel sheets for you, or you can also upload different sheets and you can summarize or analyze whatever it would take you weeks to do manually. So right here, you can see also how much you need to charge for every single one of these services and how many clients you need for each case, with a very realistic service fee to get to the 10K mark. As we have said before, there is no income guaranteed for anybody, right? Who does anything. This is just a monetary target that I'm really showcasing to you that is feasible, that we set it, we break it down, we showcase how much money you can charge, what is the tool you can use to create the service, the value, and who to target and how many of these people you need to get to that number, right? It's completely up to you to make it. This is completely feasible. All you gotta do is train yourself to understand this platform or any other one that can give you an unfair advantage. You can check the link from the description to try Genspark yourself. Start for free, see if it is helpful for you to upgrade, and start one of the services or all of them, because you can become a multi-purpose agency. And until next time, simply hustle.